Want to stop typing the same replies over and over? Whether you're handling non-stop customer inquiries or trying to scale your business, linking your WhatsApp to a custom AI agent is the ultimate cheat code. Today, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Robofy AI chatbot to your WhatsApp in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Here we are on the Robofy WhatsApp Business API page. Simply log into your account and you will be instantly redirected to your main AI agent's dashboard. Click on the agent you want to connect. Then, navigate down the left sidebar and hit Installation. You'll see a bunch of integration options here. Navigate to WhatsApp and click on the Setup button. If you have already registered your WhatsApp number with Meta, you're basically done. Just click this blue link number button at the top right. Select your number, and your bot is officially live and ready to chat. But if you see a message saying no WhatsApp numbers found, don't worry. Just scroll down and click Setup WhatsApp Account. This will take you to the Meta API setup flow. Now, if you haven't done this before, it involves a few steps to connect your Facebook account. Instead of getting bogged down in the technical details right now, Robofy has an exact step-by-step video for this. Just click the Watch Setup Video button right here on the screen, follow those quick steps, and then come back to hit Link Number. And that's it. Once that number is linked, your AI takes over, answering your customers instantly, 24/7. Check the link in the description to start building your own Robofy agents today.